explore ko kayo sa another view ng Pattaya. Along the B-View Beach lang po. Diba? Ayan. Wait muna. Okay, that's it. Yung mga alon guys, super nakakagalak naman. Yak! Tuhod ko guys. Hindi na pwede. O, diba? Sa Pattaya. Okay? Pupunta tayo dyan guys. Dyan. Mamaya. Wala tayo sa pinaka-port. Parang maliit lang siya na ano. Dito. So guys. Yan. It's very good guys. So, what are you waiting for? So this is day 3 from Pattaya lang, ha? Doon sa Bangkok in another day. So I give you another video about Bangkok. So for now, it's all about Pattaya lang tayo. Nakaka-relax siya guys. O, diba? Wow, yung view, diba? Where you can find this one. So guys, this is the walking street. Walking street. Can you see the landmark over there, the walking street? Yes. We are close to Jomtin, Thailand. It's another beach side also in Jomtin. See? It's about Christmas na kaya madaming tao. See? Guys, kahit wala tayong pera, maglibot-libot tayo, di ba? Maglibot-libot tayo kahit pauwi na tayo ng Pinas. Kailangan sulitin na natin to, di ba? Sulitin na natin ang mga araw na nandito tayo sa Thailand, di ba? Sinasabi ko, kanina nandoon ako, di ba? Nandiyan ako kanina na nag-video. So ngayon dito tayo sa seaside. O, di ba? Very exciting. Hello! Very exciting here in Thailand. See? So, as I told you guys, what are you waiting for? Diba? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Get your passport and come to Thailand. See? Wow. This is a very sorry. See? Oops. Can we get here? Diba? As I said, get your passport and come to Thailand. This is a beautiful place. Very good view, guys. Guys. Wow. Wow. Yung weather niya dito, hindi katulad ng Pilipinas. Yung Philippines, masyadong very hot siya. Dito naman hot siya, pero okay lang. Kaya na lang. Carry lang. Oh. This is a parachute, diba? Diba? Relax yung waves, yung sea. Ano pa? Oh, tingnan nyo to guys. So, ang ganda. So, next time guys, we come to there. We go there. Okay? I hope I can go there.